Hi, I'm Wilson from Big Agnes, and I'm going to show you how to change the valve check on one of our pads with the single valve design. This can be found on the axle, the zoom, or our pillows. To replace the valve check, open the valve cap on the pad and let all the air out of the pad. Press down on the top of the valve check to create separation and grab the edge of the valve check through the bottom material of the pad. Pinch the valve check through the pad material and pull it free from the valve. Remove the valve check through the side of the open part of the valve. Insert the new valve check through the open part of the valve with the stem pointed upwards. Align the stem through the opening hole in the valve and pull it through until it snaps into place. Test to make sure that the valve check is working properly. You may choose to clip off the access stem for easier inflation in the future.